channel. I know it's been a minute since I made a video. I apologize, but I do got a bunch of mods and stuff for the Bronco. Today I'll be installing the new exhaust for the exhaust or whatever. Look, the back of it. Back of it's crazy. So here's the new exhaust system from Broaddict exhaust. They sent me this exhaust, so I'm the first person to have the exhaust for the new Bronco. So as you can see, it's all chrome, whatever. So these are some of the pieces here, but the other pieces I had to take and I painted those because anybody knows me know I hate chrome. So I had to get them done black. So it comes with the dual exhaust. It has 2 tips on each one, and also painted the elbows. So see if I can get under. As you guys can see, this is a pretty, huge exhaust. So it has to come out. The system isn't it doesn't sound A1. So we gotta change the sound of the vehicle and also the look in the rear. As you can see from the rear, you can't even see the exhaust. You know what I'm saying? Unless you get down low. So I had to get down, and that's the only way you could see the exhaust. So the 2 dual, they should come out. One should come out by about right here. The other one should come out about right here. You know what I'm saying? So we can give it a beefier look in the back or whatever. I'm just hoping that it sounds up to par the way I want, because this right here, it's a 2.3. It's not the 2.7. So I'm hoping the exhaust doesn't sound too crazy. With this exhaust, it's not really too much to it. I think this is a 15 millimeter bolt. The other pieces are just grommets. So you got the grommet here. This one right here, and that's about it. So it's 2 grommets and 15 mil, because this, hopefully I don't have to take it out, but we'll see once I get that far. But if I do, it's 15 mil here. You know what I'm saying? And 15 mil over there. But hopefully I shouldn't have to, but we shall see. See the size difference? That's the stock. This is the aftermarket right here. So it's a huge difference. So yeah, throw some WD-40 on that part right there. That thing was on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these things swapped apart and get it back up in there. There it is, guys. It's put on. Got the tips. I just got done. So I'm loving the tips, man. In the way that it came out, the sound is amazing. I was kind of iffy on the sound because I thought the sound was gonna sound a little bit whiny or whatever, but it came out even better. Like, it got that deep tone to it. You know what I'm saying? So I want to give a big shout out to Broaddict exhaust. You know what I'm saying, for hooking me up with this exhaust. You know what I'm saying? For sponsoring me for it. They sent it out to me. Didn't cost me a dime. You know what I'm saying? No shipping, nothing. They sent it to me. You know what I'm saying? They said they wanted to get my honest review on it. and I love it. You know what I'm saying? Not only does now it makes my Bronco look even more beefier in the back, you know what I'm saying, with this with those tips on them. But it also makes it sound, you know, more aggressive, you know what I'm saying, than it is. And I'm really loving that. You know what I'm saying? This factory exhaust, man, I mean, it was crap. And I was shopping around, trying to find the best exhaust, you know what I'm saying, that I could find. I found this company, you know, I reached out to them like, you know, hey, you know, I was looking at you guys' exhaust. They had about 5 or 6 different exhaust systems or whatever for the Bronco. The guy said, hey, you know, let me hook you up, you know what I'm saying, just do a review on it, you know what I'm saying, they send it out to me, you know what I'm saying, no issues, no problems, man. And you guys have a blessed day. I have more videos on the way. I got a new sponsorship coming. Well, it's already there. I just got there's a few things I got to do, you know what I'm saying, but I got some other mods, you know what I'm saying, that I need to install, you know, that you know, came from a couple of these partners that I hooked up with or whatever. So once again, you guys have a blessed day.